Are you looking for the best liquid 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best liquid 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer. If you don't have any prior experience with 3D printers and this is your first time buying one, we will strongly suggest going with a tried and tested option like the one made by ANYCUBIC. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer is our first choice for this list of the best liquid 3D printers, and it also happens to be the most popular option on the market right now. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer is a 4K printer and it has a 6.23 inches monochrome display, allowing compatible printing sizes of up to 5.19 by 3.14 by 6.49 inches, making a lot of complicated designs possible. The LCD display on the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer is almost 29% larger than many other options available around this price point. As for the printing speed, ANYCUBIC is promising a printing speed of merely 1.5 seconds per layer, which is quite difficult to find with such high resolution. And since the display is not an RGB one, you can expect up to 4 times better longevity. Number 2. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. ELEGOO also has a highly popular option for a liquid 3D printer which you must check out before moving forward. This is also one of the great options that are capable of printing larger designs. In second place, we have the ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The Mars 3 Pro MSLA 3D printer from ELEGOO is also one of the budget options on this list, with support for up to 5.647 times 3.52 times 6.8 inches printing size. On top of that, you will get the accuracy of a 4K liquid printer thanks to the 6.6 inches 4K LCD display. The display also features an anti-scratch replaceable tempered glass so that you can always get the best results by replacing the glass. The lens of the Mars 3 Pro MSLA 3D printer is quite a special one. Unlike its previous versions, the Mars 3 Pro MSLA 3D printer features the upgraded COB lens with 36 UV LED light to offer a strong and powerful light source and reduce the curing time. This light source delivers a 405 nanometers wavelength light beam so that you will get a smoother surface finish on the prints without compromising on the printing speed. Number 3. PHROZEN Sonic Resin 3D Printer. Since we are discussing budget options for a liquid 3D printer, let us introduce you to the cheapest option available out there for one from PHROZEN. This is a mini 3D printer that is perfect for checking out your designs. If you need a liquid 3D printer for prototype testing or just to create a 3D replica of your designs for fun, the PHROZEN Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D printer will be perfect for you. Costing almost as much as a standard photo printer, the PHROZEN Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D printer is the cheapest option you can find on the market right now. Still, you will get a 5.5 inches monochrome display on the printer with a maximum supported printing size of 4.7 by 2.6 by 5.1 inches, which is not too bad. Another benefit of the PHROZEN Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D printer is its high printing speed. PHROZEN is promising to cure a layer of resin within just a second, making it a perfect option for smaller jobs. The light source used inside the PHROZEN Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D printer is the parallel UV LED system, which offers 95% optical uniformity, making it more accurate than many other premium options. You will also get a 3-month warranty period on the PHROZEN Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D printer. Number 4. Longer Orange 33D Printer. Nowadays, you will come across a lot of options for a standard 3D printer, even if you are looking for a liquid 3D printer. But not all options are as reliable as the following one from Longer. The Longer Orange 33D printer is yet another standard 2K liquid printer that we found for this list of the best liquid 3D printers. It is also a mini option considering the machine only measures about 20.75 by 10.75 by 10 inches in size. But you will still get a printing size support for up to 4.72 by 2.68 by 6.69 inches, which is quite good. It means that you are basically getting up to 13% larger printing volume than other options of similar size. The longer Orange 33D printer also offers high-precision printing performance despite being a mini version, as you get a 47.25 micrometers pixel size on its display. This machine is backed by the longer small-angle UV LED light source, which ensures better light uniformity as well as illumination. The longer Orange 33D printer is capable of printing 100mm under just a minute, making it nearly 3x faster than other options.